Hello guys, welcome to the video that you have been waiting for. With none other than yours truly, the special construction worker. And me. Alright, and today we're gonna be playing, as you can see, Free Save, for Sugar the Frigidaire. The sugar, the Frigidaire. As you can see, the Frigidaire, the weed. Anyways, let's get into the game. Let's get started. Alright, let's see what we got going on. I hope I remember to pack an extra pair of pants. Where's the line? Is this the line? Where is everybody? Where did everybody else go? Hello? Hello? Alright, well, might as well get line. I have a really bad feeling about this, you know? Oh man. Uh-oh. It looks to me like we are approaching the ticket booth. Where's the guy who gives the tickets? Hello? I'm the special construction worker. I'm supposed to give maintenance on your ride. Has to pass some sort of health inspection, for that matter. Hello? Where's everyone? Come on! Can I get any service around here? Alright. Okay. Got my ticket. I guess I'm going in. Are you ready, guys? Alright. I got my ticket. Let's go.
Hey guys, make sure to check out my YouTube, Mr. Caesar. But
Yeah,
make sure
I'm
to
not
check out this
checking
ride
out,
and support the creators.
and
And I'll see y'all later. Please enjoy the ride. Peace out. Hey guys,
I don't know what I am.
make sure to check out my
Alright.
YouTube, Mr. Caesar. But make sure to
have
check out
you
this
heard,
ride and support the creators.
take a
And I'll
big-
see y'all
big
later.
dumper
Please
right
enjoy
now.
the ride. Peace out.
Anyways. Alright.
Hey
Off to
guys,
the ride.
make sure.
Oh. That is not disturbing at all. If that's not disturbing, I don't know what is. I got the feeling that might be in the bag. Anyways, let's go. What's that? Blair. The Blair Witch? The Blair Witch? Okay. Crash. Level select this way. No, I did not crash. Collect coins along the way to win a prize. Did I mean target? Before you go, Annie, make sure you party. Yeah, I'm not partying up with anyone. Want another level? Comment on the room either zombies, deep water, haunted house. Haunted house! All the way! I love her again! I packed another pair of pants, as I've said it before. Anyways, here we go. We're going down the room. And another page is done. I have a really bad feeling about this. I'm thinking about my life choices right now. What is this? Looks like some kind of carnival. What happened to the lights? Hello? Hello? Holy. Yeah, that was a big
Get too
one.
old for this shit.
That was a big one. Is that my dad? Yeah, that's my dad. What do you want? Talk about having rage issues, Marcia. Why don't you just... Wait, hold on a second. Is that a Jack in the Box? That is most definitely a Jack in the Box. I know for a fact that's a Jack in the Box. Well, what are you doing with that? What are you doing? What are you doing with that? Okay.
Wait, what?
Don't ever do that to me again, okay? Don't ever do that. Don't ever do that to me again, okay? Don't ever do that to me again, okay? What's that? What's that say? What? Oh. What? It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
Okay.
Jimmy.
I don't know.
It's a small world after all.
But wait, how do I get you in the
It's a small world after all. It's a small world after all. It's a small, small world.
I can't use body.
It's a small world Huh? What's going on? No, bad. What? What? What just happened? Where are we? Huh? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I need an explanation. What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? I need an explanation. What? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Oh, I don't want to pay for that. Was that a crocodile? I think I destroyed my pet. What's going on? Why are you What? It's a butterfly. Oh, there's a butterfly. That's a big butterfly. Hey, butterfly. Hey, butterfly. Oh! Buddy, is that you again? Oh, she exhausted. Okay. Maybe just ride your heavy doctor somewhere. Maybe just ride your heavy. Where are we? Now. We're in some kind of. Everybody hands up! That's not good. Token. Oh, Mr. Token. You gotta get the token. You gotta get the token.
Pow! I'm going in!
Pow! I'm right behind you.
All right.
Okay, we're good this way.
We're clear. This way. Come on, Harry. Let's go.
Who the are you?
Yeah, you cannot be back here. This place is not safe. Everything's sort of backwards.
Guys, you can't be back here. It's dangerous. This is the back rooms of Rec Room. You're in the Rec
Well, you don't want to send me here.
We
What was that? Whoa! That's a woman. Should I be concerned for their safety and well-being. Oh no. Orientation, rec rally, the Isle of Heads. Uh-oh. Are we in some kind of back rooms? I cannot see anything right now. Hello? Hello? Anybody here? Oh, sorry. I don't see any backrooms creature yet. Another target. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh no. No. Please no. 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 What that? What are you doing? What that? What's happening? I still can't see anything. I still can't see anything. Are we in a dorm room? We're in a dorm room. Yeah. After
You have not
review
given
reports.
it your rec room best.
What just happened? Did we just get a rec room ban? Oh no.
Now you have to pay the price.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Is that cool? Pretty cool. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, there was a token. Whoops, forgot to grab it. Don't come close to me, I swear. Huh?
I'm the other racer. Welcome to the other rec room. Do you want to play with me?
That's better. Nothing sings Stranger Things. Whoa. Uh-huh. Yeah, but it looks to me like it's just a big black dark cave. Red cave. Uh-oh. Are we in some sort of cave? It looks like we're in some sort of cave.
It is time.
Yes, I do believe we're trapped
Time for you
somewhere.
to join cannot hide from me, Maxine.
Done.
What are you doing?
I don't want to pay for it.
Max?
Hello? Oh. More flashing lights. Is that a good sign? Yeah, definitely. Must be a sign that something scary is coming. Oh, now there's change. Man, we're going very deep. Why are we going so deep? Hmm. Oh. What's that? Stranger Things. Hey, got a token. Yahoo! Stranger Things. Just like you said. Stranger Things. Banana, 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 banana. Kumbaya, 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 kumbaya.
I don't know what that means. You should
Kumbaya.
tell me what to do. What should I do? How do I get to you?
Kumbaya.
How do I find you? What should I do?
What was that? I don't look like Christmas lights. Yeah, definitely Christmas lights. Whoa. It's kind of looking familiar from the scene. What's going on? What was that thing? I'll take it back. Zoom down. There. What's on that? Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, please help me. Oh man. Here we go. Where'd he go? 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 Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no.
For your suffering.
Hey, we're back in the cage again. Still not a great place to be, but you know. Where's everybody? Oh no. Oh no. What is that? What is that? Whoa. Oh, it's like my baby. Where are we? Where are we? Huh? Looks like we're probably gonna die, my guess is. Whoa. Where's the sky? It looks like. Oh, talking. I like this.
Hiya, Georgie. What a nice note. Do you want it back? Look like a nice boy.
Where?
You have a lot of friends. Where's he? I bet I could cheer him up. I'll give him a balloon. You want a balloon?
Where's that thing?
Oh, wow.
Where's that thing?
Dancing clown. Pennywise.
What the? What? What's going on?
Storm blue.
Uh,
Blue doors circus away. Can you smell the circus, Georgie? There's peanuts, cotton candy, hot
I just-
dogs, and popcorn. Is that your favorite? I do.
what?
Because they pop,
Just give him a cookie.
pop, 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 pop.
That's what I do. Oh, come on.
Without
Just
food,
give him a cookie.
you don't want to lose it, Georgie. Bill's gonna kill you. Here. Take it.
Huh? Hold that. Hold that. Hold that. Are we in the sewers? Is it Pennywise? Yeah, this is definitely Pennywise. Yeah, this is definitely Pennywise. Yeah, this is Pennywise. Definitely Pennywise. Uh-oh. They're both funny, I guess. Okay. Misclicked that one. Yep, this is definitely Pennywise. I remember this in T. What's that? Red balloon. Oh no. Where's the blood? No. Huh? For Suke baby. Where are we now? It's complete darkness, that's all I know. Huh? What? Oh no. Oh no.
The northern rainforests
are
of
they
South
spiders?
America are home to a very large arachnid. The
Are
biggest
they-
spider in the
are they
world
spiders?
comes in many colors, but only one size.
Those are definitely
Monster
spiders.
size. The Goliath bird-eating spider is nearly 1 foot wide. Despite its name, it rarely eats humans. It mainly preys on frogs, insects,
Yeah.
and unlike regular-sized spiders, doesn't build a web to catch its victims.
Whoa.
This giant tarantula is a stealthy blending in with leaf litter on the forest floor. It ambushes
Kumbaya.
its unsuspecting prey.
Kumbaya. Kumbaya.
It
I
ranges
just
from
pooped my
Venezuela
pants.
east to
I
French
just
Guiana,
pooped my
south to Brazil.
pants. I just pooped my pants. I just pooped my pants. I just pooped my pants.
Sensitive hairs
Just
cover
pooped
the
my pants.
Goliath's 8 legs. They pick
Oh,
up
no.
vibrations in the air created by
It's not
movement
good.
from creatures around it.
Not good. I'm looking good. Oh, something bad's gonna happen, I can tell. Uh-oh.
Fangs, almost an inch long, easily slice through flesh, and at the same time, inject a neurotoxic venom.
What?
It's a lethal bite.
What's going on? Whoa,
In the safety of its burrow,
look at me and you.
Goliath bird
The similarity between you and me. We both have the tism.
to tear or chew. It
And this
regurgitates digestive
syndrome
juices onto
as
its
well.
victim, which break down soft
Where
tissue
is the other
and
one?
turns it into liquid. The giant spider then
where did it
sucks
go?
the carcass dry. When it's
Took my
finished,
pee-pee real quick.
only bones,
Yep, it's
skin,
still there.
and fur remain.
I ain't doing that, baby.
The same fangs that killed
Oh, I hate
are large
Jeffy.
enough to break
I
through
don't want to be compared to him. I'm the special conception maker. I don't want to be compared to anybody.
the Goliath is
I just spider crawl on my face.
A bite may cause some discomfort and swelling for a few minutes if the victim has an allergic reaction or if the wound becomes infected.
Oh
The
no.
Goliath spider usually issues a series of
What's going
warnings
on?
before it strikes. It rears up on its hind legs to make itself look even bigger and rubs the hair on its legs together.
Pretty soon,
Hissing sound.
this is not going
Heard up
good.
to 15 feet away. These barbed hairs can be irritating to the skin. As far as spiders go,
No.
the Goliath may be big, but they're not our biggest problem when it comes to the creatures that bite, sting, and kill.
The Goliath spider? The Goliath spider? Huh? Uh-oh. Whoa. Huh? What's going on? There's gonna be a big spider. Whoa. Oh, God. There's spiders everywhere. Uh-oh. To the next room, I guess. Again, darkness. Huh? What's going on? Uh-oh. Baby. Baby. Are we in a hospital or something? Oh no. The lights turned out again. This cannot be good. What? What's going on? Okay. Huh? Where's go? Uh-oh. Oh, no, get away. Oh, no. Just mumble after just mumble after just mumble something wrong with the small world. Dig a bug, dig, dig, bug, dig, dig. Dig, 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 dig. Uh-oh. What's going on? The lights went out again. Oh, no. Oh, again. I'm scared of the dark. I admit it. I'm scared of the dark. Oh, man. Yo. Where did we go? It's still dark. Normally something would show up by now. Uh. Who are you? Whoa. There's something in the monitor. There's something in the monitor. Something in the monitor. There's something in the monitor. There's something in the computer. There's something in the computer. Oh, it's grabbing me. It's grabbing me. Why is it pulling me closer? Why are you pulling me closer? You're fussy there, aren't you? Oh, good no. Good no. Hey, buddy, how you doing? Meanie. Wait a second, where'd you go? It's dark again. Hey, this is a long room. Oh no. Are you gonna dump out at me again? Oh. Uh-oh. That's not good. That's not good at all. Oh no. Oh! 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 Why is this room so long? Huh? Hey look! He's playing PSVR or something like that. Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Hey buddy! Oh no.
10 seconds remaining. 5,
I feel like something bad. Uh-oh.
2, 1.
Hello. How you doing? Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. What's he doing? What's he doing? Did we get a thing from the quiet place? What was that? Ugh. Oh no. Uh-oh.
Capture the flag.
Huh. What did I think that? Oh,
I woke up.
uh-oh.
All I could taste was blood and metal.
Greetings and welcome. I want to play a game.
Get me out of here. Get me out of here.
Most people are so ungrateful to be alive. But not you. Not anymore. Game over.
Oh, man. Oh, man. Oh, man. Where we now? Lights out soon. 15 minutes, okay. Whoa. Where is it? Whoa. 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 Tweebacan. Yay! Oh man, that was one of a ride. Huh. Oh man. Oh man. That was one of a ride. Holy. Well, that, is that the man who made it? Is that the man who made it? Yeah. Let's see who the creators are of this game. Upgrade, Laura, Art. Ah. Huh. Oh, that guy. Alright. Bye guys. See you in the next video. thank you very much for watching. And please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to THS That Top 70s. And make sure to visit this room, Mr. Fears the Rat. Or is that what you said? Fusuke the Frisky. Special construction approved. Face your fears, the Frisky, Fusuke the Frisky, the Reed. Bye now. And stay tuned for the next, video that will be uploaded in the future. Bye now.